Hi. Just what I'm doing is showing everyone my new Black Widow. Real proud of it. This is a 62-inch Black Widow longbow, the PLV ironwood model. It's a takedown model, means that it's a two-piece takedown. It comes apart here at the handle, and around that joint there's like a carbon sleeve, and it has a beaver tail grip, beaver tail wrapped around it. It has the palm swell, the Toby grip, so it allows for canting. Shoots real nice. I got it April 2015. It's 62-inch takedown model, and it's 45 pounds at 27. Fast flight string. I'm shooting gold tip carbon arrows, the 1535s. They're about 30 inches long. They have the tunable knock inserts, and then the point inserts. The PDF weight goes in there for bare shafting. You tune them to shoot straight without the feathers. It's a great system. Got a great northern side mount quiver. It really holds these carbon arrows nice. I'm shooting a Bateman tab, and then I got my Black Widow arm guard. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot a couple arrows to kind of show y'all how it performs. Alright, thanks. I'm going to shoot that far target. I'm going to be shooting 20 yards away. Bella! I don't think I did as good as I wanted to, but it's alright, Griffin. But thanks for watching.